Hello, in this session we are going to discuss about the heat affected zone and its width calculation. In welding, the heat affected zone, which is also known as HAZ, is the area of base material which is not melted but has had its microstructure and properties altered due to the welding heat. The heat from the welding process and the subsequent recooling causes this change from the weld interface to the termination of sensitizing temperature in the base metal. The extent and magnitude of property change depends primarily on the base material, the weld filler metal, and the amount and concentration of heat input by the welding process. In the given diagram, the darkest gray region is representing the weld or the fusion zone. The medium gray is representing the heat affected zone, and the lightest gray region is representing the base material. Now let us discuss that on what basis the width of the heat affected zone should be calculated. Here, in order to calculate the width of the heat affected zone, it is necessary to mention the temperature of interest, which means the critical temperature above which the microstructure and mechanical properties of a metal will be affected by the application of welding heat. Let us understand the same using some examples. In case of the plain carbon steel, which is subjected to metallurgical transformation above 727 degrees Celsius, that is the lower critical temperature. So in case of plain carbon steel, this temperature, which is lower critical temperature, becomes the criteria for the calculation of heat affected zone, and this temperature will be known as the temperature of interest. Similarly, steel tempered at 300 degrees Celsius after quenching treatment, whenever heated to a temperature above 300 degrees Celsius, it is over tempered and therefore the structure and the properties are affected. Hence, for quenched and tempered steel, temperature of tempering, which here in this case is 300 degrees Celsius, becomes the critical temperature which will be used for the calculation of heat affected zone. Now let us understand the calculation of heat affected zone using an example that for a single pass full penetration weld pass is made on steel plates having the ρC, which means the volumetric specific heat, as 0.0044 joules per millimeter cube. T equals to 5 millimeter, which here is representing the thickness. T naught means the initial temperature, which is 25 degrees Celsius. Tm means the melting point temperature, which is here given as 1510 degrees Celsius. Q is given as the 720 joules per millimeter, which means the net heat supplied. And here it is asked to calculate the peak temperature at 3 millimeters, 1 millimeter, and 0 millimeter distance from the fusion boundary. So from the above, we have T naught, which is the initial temperature, as 25 degrees Celsius. Tm, which is the melting point temperature, as 1510 degrees Celsius. Net heat supplied as 720 joules per millimeter. H here represents the thickness, and ρC represents the volumetric specific heat, which is 0.0044 joules per millimeter cube. When we will be putting these values in the expression which was for the calculation of peak temperature, distance of point of interest from the fusion boundary, which will be here represented by the variable capital Y, is to be put as 3 millimeters, 1.5 millimeter, and 0 millimeters. When we will put these values in this expression, we will be getting the TP as peak temperature as 926.46 degrees Celsius, 1143.21 degrees Celsius, and in the third case, which is at the 0 mm distance from the fusion boundary, in that case as 1510 degrees Celsius respectively. Thank you.